so welcome to my channel. This is my first ever video. I'm doing banana bread and banana muffins today because I actually have really ripe bananas. And this is my kitchen. This is actually my small apartment. I'm looking for a bigger place because I need a better kitchen, well lit, you know, and nicer kitchen. So I only have this at the moment, but you know, I've done most of my cooking here, so it works for me. We're gonna start with 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/3 cup of yogurt. I'm using yogurt. Did it just fall? And in doing this, we need 2, that's 4. 2, how do you call this? Oh my god, I'm so lost right now. So today I'm gonna use 2 bowls for this recipe. One will be for the dry and one will be for the wet ingredients. Wet. 1/3 cup or probably 43 grams, which I round off to 53 grams. What is wrong with me? Let's get started. First, you mix in your dry ingredients. I don't know if you can see it. And then so this is 2 cups of flour, and I'm gonna add my baking soda now. And also where am I supposed to add my sugar? Is it supposed to be there or here? No, that was wrong.
There you go.
So make sure they're all mixed in together. Ew. No! Come on! Now I'm gonna have to clean that up. So in order for us to test whether the banana bread is actually ready or not, you use a toothpick. This little piece is actually very handy. So you prick it in and it should be clean, and that should mean it's cooked. And there you have it. I can't put it in. Our first banana bread together.